What's going on, my beautiful people? Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. My name is Alex Garfe, and today I'm going to take you guys along for a little bit of a vlog slash what I eat in a day. So follow me along and bear with me. It's probably not going to be a full what I eat in a day, as I'm going to be going out later. It's one of my friend's birthdays, so we're going to celebrate her birthday today, and it's going to be my birthday soon too. We'll see if I tell you guys what day my birthday is or if I do a birthday vlog. Stay tuned. And if you guys are new to my channel and wondering what to expect, I share vegan recipes, vegan food reviews, vegan restaurant reviews, and also vlogs. So if that's something that interests you guys, make sure to smash that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you never miss an upload. With that being said, let me continue drinking this vitamin C and letting the loud car go by. And let's get into the day. All right, guys, so the next meal I'm gonna make is some mushrooms and Beyond Meat sausage with some greens. So I got some kale and some spinach. So I'm just cutting these mushrooms up. I'm gonna throw them in the pan first with a little bit of black pepper and turmeric and a little bit of coconut aminos. And here I just got the Beyond sausage. I'm gonna cut it up small, just so it can cook a little faster. Mushrooms are pretty much done, so I'm gonna add it to it. So let's go do that. That is a flavor explosion. Wow, the Beyond Meat sausage, of course, since it's pretty processed, it's gonna taste good and salty and all that good stuff, but the mushroom combination with there is really good, as well as the greens. The spinach and the kale gives it a nice flavor and texture as well. So I'm gonna finish chowing this meal down, and I will see you guys for the next meal. All right, guys, so my next meal is gonna be this Chipotle pack. It's got like brown rice, black beans, a bunch of veggies and stuff, as you can see from the picture. So I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna add some kale and spinach to it as well for some extra greens, and also some avocado for the healthy fats. So let's cook this up and let's eat. Check it out, guys. Is the camera seeing this correctly? I hope so. As promised, let's eat. So I drizzled some tahini on there. Had to get that tahini on there because that spinach is gonna be plain. Let's get a nice bite of everything. Uh-oh. It's gonna be quite the bite, huh? So this will probably be my last meal of the day, just because I'm getting ready to go out. They do have some vegan options at the place. I think I might have said that earlier in the video, but if not, I'll say it now. So I might get some food there. I don't think I'm gonna bring the camera, but if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. And as always, I will see ya in the next video. Peace.